Hey guys, what is going on? Today we have some of the biggest news ever to tell you for Hidden Motorsports. Like, literally, biggest news ever. Nothing could ever be bigger than this. But first, we'll give you a couple updates. Yep, don't break that down there. So first, we got both sets of heads and Klaus's Bald Eagle cam sent over to Lingenfelter. So his original heads, you guys saw there was a bunch of vent valves and the heads were dinged up. So they are kind of like sloppy putting them together so we can put them on the junkyard build. It's not going to be perfect, but that's what the junkyard build's for. It's for cheap doing that. And then they're taking his 317 heads and they're going to do their full stage 3 CNC port and all that great stuff, and that'll be for the race motor. Also, I just got an email update from Monster Clutch. Our clutch will be showing up tomorrow. We sent the Monster LT1RR twin disc clutch. It's a 1200 horsepower clutch. It's actually the same one that Leroy uses. Like, if you've noticed, that's the same kind of like little squeals and sounds. We sent that into them to get refreshed, and we're going to get that back tomorrow. You can see not much else has been done on Klaus, except we're working with a guy. We'll show you his name and company here as soon as we get the harness. Working out a deal with him. We're getting a full standalone chassis harness for Klaus. Oh, this light's not turned on. Oh well, whatever. So what we're going to be doing is ripping out the entire dash, all the wiring, stock, literally every single piece of wire will be ripped out of this car, including that big black fuel box over there, all of it. So we'll have the Holley Terminator system wiring, and we'll have a full standalone chassis harness. And for turn signals and all that stuff, we're going to have a little panel in the middle of the center console, and we'll just flip for turn signals, headlights, push button start, all that good stuff. That should be here in a couple weeks, something like that. I'm trying to have Klaus running with his new junkyard build engine by February something. First or second week in February, something like that. So not too far off. Everything will be going good, and then the race motor will be sometime this summer. So for the junkyard build motor, I got some Gen 4 rods and pistons. I got super cheap, so we'll throw those in there. We should be able to make 12 or 1300 with those. Race motor will be 1500. But the reason for this video is it brings me to our biggest announcement ever. You guys know I've been with my wife now for like 8-9 years. I don't know, seems like forever, but quite a long time. We've been married for a few years now, and what I gotta tell you guys is the crew is expanding. Look at that. That's another little Hidden Motorsports crew member due this year. I believe the due date right now is temporary, like July 10th. That's what they're saying so far. So I got a baby coming. So that's kind of where I've been the last 2 weeks. I've been finishing the remodel and the rest of the house. You can see I'm still covered in paint. And then I gotta get the baby's room ready. So I'm working on all that right now. It's not too bad. We're doing good. But there's all kinds of things that are going on. Klaus will be done here soon. Don't you worry about that at all. So if you guys remember from the other video, our buddy Charlie, we sent him down a care package. Sent him a t-shirt, sent him one of these rods that we went ahead and signed for him. Sent that down to him with some decals, all kinds of stuff. And his dad actually recorded all of him opening it, and it's pretty sweet. So I'll let you guys see that right here.
Yes, was this from the guys at Hidden Motorsports?
Yes.
What'd you do in that car?
We routed out the engine.
Yeah, he sent you a package.
Face.
He sent you a package. Here, you want to open it?
I got it.
Get it. Something in there for you, man. There you go. Get it open. It's like Christmas after Christmas, isn't it?
Yeah. And then what's next? PS10 comes out?
No. Get it open. All right, easy now. want everything come flying out. Here, take. There you go. It opens now. Here, step back in the light so we can see you.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. What is that?
Oh,
Is there something in there?
more merch too?
Yeah.
Yay.
What's in there? Dude, you know what that is? You know what that is? No, that's out of a car engine. It's out of the engine you revved up. What else did you get? Show me what else you got. Stickers. You gotta put some of those on the car.
More stickers. More stickers.
Klaus, look at the t-shirt, bro. Wow. I think they may have sent that for me. He said he was sending something. Is there a note in there? Is there a note?
No.
No. All right, hold it up, man. Pick it up. What do you say?
Thank you so much.
we're gonna hang that on the wall.
No, it's mine.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
We're gonna sell.
Here,
We're
look.
gonna be.
Thanks so much, guys. Look. Come here, son. Thanks so much, guys. We really appreciate it. This is awesome. You guys are the best. No half sends. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
No half sends. Thanks.
That is pretty awesome. Like, literally, as I was watching that video after his dad sent it to me, I just couldn't help but to smile, because that's really what it's all about, guys. Like, we're in it to get the younger generation into cars. Because, guess what? If none of our kids care about cars, care about going fast, care about engine noises, we're not going to have any of that. We're going to be riding around on electric trains or something. Who knows what? But literally, do it for the kids, guys. That's what we need to do. And hopefully, that's just what I want my kid. Whether it's a girl, boy, I don't care what it is. They're going to be a little gearhead. Dirt bikes, cars, racing. Mama's going to hate it all, but we're going to do it anyways, you know. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. Hopefully here in a couple more days, yeah, you'll see we're going to get back into Klaus videos because I have the baby room and everything ready to go now. So we're going to get back onto that. And let me know if you guys want to see more of our other stuff that we do, more like our bread and butter, because at Hidden Motorsports, we build race cars throughout the day, every single day. Big turbo kits, mainly on BMWs. We do a bunch of work like that. It's nothing crazy and extravagant like Klaus, but we could do some how-to videos, some tutorial videos, or any kind of vlogging that you guys would want. So just leave a comment if you want to see some different kind of content. I don't know if you guys will like that kind of stuff, but just let me know. Other than that, I will see you guys later, and you have a good one.